Welcome to another video walk around. Today we're going to be taking a look at this 2015 Chevy Sonic LS in this white color. This front wheel drive 4-door 5-passenger hatchback comes equipped with a 1.8 liter 4-cylinder engine mounted to a 5-speed manual transmission. Starting up front with some of the notable exterior features, you've got a great looking front end thanks in large part to these very large and distinct headlights. And the taillights mirror that design as well. We'll take a look at them in just a moment. As you come around to the side of the vehicle, you got the 15-inch steel rims the vehicle currently rides on with those nice Chevy hubcaps. And those are wrapped in the triangle tires with lots and lots of tread, as you can see. As we continue down the side of the vehicle, you'll find the compact side profile here. And in the rear, you've got the unique door handles that are found up top rather than down below. In the back of the vehicle here, you'll find the roof-mounted antenna as well as the color-matched roof spoiler. Just below that, you've got a rear windshield wiper, as well as, of course, those distinct tail lights that I mentioned. And you've also got the Sonic badging. If you're looking for an affordable ride that's still got tons of pep and is fun to drive, you found it in this Chevy Sonic. So let's go ahead and hop inside and get started with the interior features. Hopping inside this compact hatchback is nice and easy thanks to the remote keyless entry. Simply hit the unlock button on the key fob and you'll be inside. You also notice you've got that nice fold-away key, making it nice and convenient to store it in your pocket. Inside here, you got the very stylish gray fabric seating with the nice design in the center of the seat. And just below here, you'll also find the manual seat adjustments. So let's go ahead and hop inside, fire this vehicle up, and get started with the bells and whistles. The features inside this vehicle start over here on the driver's side door panel with the controls for the power locks. This vehicle does come with manually adjusted mirrors and windows, but below here you'll also find some additional storage as well as an extra cup holder. Just to the right, you'll find the controls for the headlights, and as you can see, this vehicle does come equipped with automatic headlights, which is a great set it and forget it feature, and you've also got the dimmer switch for the gauge cluster. If you take a look over at the steering column here, you do have the manual adjustment for your tilt and telescoping steering wheel, so you can easily get it in the perfect position. And if we take a look just behind the wheel here at the turn signal stalk, you'll notice that you do have the adjustments for the screen. So let's go ahead and take a look up there. You can see over on the left-hand side, you've got that massive analog tachometer, and just to the right, you'll find the digital fuel gauge as well as the digital speedometer. All the way over on the right-hand side, you've got the compass as well as your odometer, and you can see that this vehicle currently has 60,938 kilometers on it. You can also cycle through the screen up top between your drive time. You've also got your average fuel consumption, range, and average speed. You can also hit the menu button to check your oil life as well as your unit selection and language settings. And then, of course, you can bring back the main screen by hitting the menu button again. If we back up and take a look at the wheel here, you've got a very nice 4-spoke steering wheel as well as some bolsters up top for a nice ergonomic design. Over on the right-hand side here, you've got the steering wheel mounted audio controls, which includes your volume rocker and track selector wheel here. You've also got the audio source button by pressing in that wheel. You'll also find the Bluetooth hands-free calling buttons that double as the voice recognition button and mute button for the system as well. If you take a look just to the right here, you'll find a nice little storage compartment up top, and you've also got a couple of storage compartments on either side here. Then you've got your radio in the center, and in terms of your audio options, you do have AM, FM radio, as well as an auxiliary input and Bluetooth audio, so you can be sure that you can listen to your own audio regardless of the type of device that you have. Just below that, you'll find the controls for the power locks again, as well as the hazard lights. You've also got the passenger airbag warning, and then of course you've got your climate controls. This is a single zone climate control vehicle. Below that, you've got an extra storage compartment, as well as your 5-speed manual transmission here. For reverse, you do have the collar underneath, so you're going to pop that up all the way over and up to get it into reverse. Below that, you'll find the 12-volt outlet as well as the traction control, so you can easily turn that on and off. You've got your emergency brake here as well as a couple of cup holders. And if you take a look over at the passenger side here, you've got an extra storage compartment up top just above your glove box, so you can keep the smaller items, and that helps to keep things organized, and you can keep your glove box nice and clean. Over on the passenger side door panel, you got some additional storage as well, so lots of storage options inside this vehicle. Up top here, you've got a couple of interior lights as well as your mirror, and as you can see, this mirror is equipped with OnStar capabilities. And that concludes the features up front, so let's go ahead and hop in back and take a look at some of the features in the rear of this vehicle. In the rear of this Chevy Sonic, you'll find more of that same great fabric seating that extends across the rear bench seat. Back here, you'll also find a cup holder in the back of the center console, as well as a nice little storage pocket in the back of the passenger side seat. These rear seats also do fold down on a 60-40 split. If you have some additional cargo to store, you can simply grab the latch up top here to fold the seat down nice and easily. If you take a look at the rear door panel here, you've got the same great design that we found in the front. Popping open the hatch is nice and easy. You've got the button underneath here. You can pop that open. And inside you've got a nice generous carpeted cargo area with lots of room to store your goodies. You've also got, of course, underneath here, the spare tire in case you ever get a flat. You've also got the privacy cover up top, making it nice and easy to keep your cargo out of sight. That concludes this short video walk around, but this affordable and fun to drive hatchback will not last long on our lot, so make sure you stop by Kelowna Toyota, located at 1200 Leithhead Road, or visit us online at kelownatoyota.com for more information. We look forward to seeing you soon.